how to see your Facebook friendship date. So if you are curious to know about your friendship dates with some of your friends on Facebook, then this video might help you. So make sure you watch this video till the end and do subscribe to our channel for more videos like this. And let's get into the video. So right now I am at the home page of Facebook, from where you will be able to explore to various posts or feeds over here. So the first step, you need to tap over the three-bar horizontal line in the right upper corner, and here all of the shortcuts are available. You just have to go for find friends option, and here are all of your suggested friends or people you may know, but these are not our friends, so you just have to go for your friends option at the right upper corner, and all of your friend list will be available over here. Right now I do have only one friend, so it's listed in this section. At the right hand side of the friend name, there's a three-dotted horizontal line. You just have to tap over there, and at the lower section you can see right down to the friend's name, there is a date given since you are friends since July 2023. So that means this person is friend with me since July 2023. So you just need to know that. You can try on your friends and you'll be able to know about the friendship date with your friends. So I hope this video was helpful. Do subscribe to our channel for more updates. Thanks for watching.